It's noon on a Saturday. The world is my fucking oyster. Tell ya. The world is my motherfucking oyster. I can do anything right now. Sky is the freaking limit. Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing on this most glorious Saturday morning? I'll be honest, a little bit hungover. Last night I hung out with a bunch of motorcycle folks, with my buddy Bird, my buddy El Mateo, my buddy Dirty Billy, his brother, a couple of other people. It's good times all around. There's not much complaining to be done. And now I'm cruising. And look at this pothole. Look at this fucking pothole. Look at this thing. Glorious, dangerous madness. So on this glorious Saturday, glorious, can I say glorious anymore? I'm just relaxing. I'm just having fun. Go ahead. You got it, bruh. You could do it. I'm just cruising. I just hung out with my mom. Had some brunch, some breakfast, some blini. Blini is this Russian delicacy. It's got like these super thin pancakes, crepe thingies. And with some smoked salmon, of course. A little bit of smoked salmon goes a long way. A taste of salmon, if I will so say. It's a beautiful thing. So now I feel really good. So I had also 2 cups of coffee, and I'm just like ready for action. It's noon on a Saturday. The world is my fucking oyster. Tell ya. The world is my motherfucking oyster. I can do anything right now. Sky is the freaking limit. But what am I actually going to do in real life? That's a good question. For now, I'm just gonna cruise and talk to you fine people. Right now we're in Williamsburg, the hipsterville. Williamsburg, the hipsterville. And I'm gonna go around all the cars because obviously I'm the only one who actually wants to get anywhere. Why is that guy riding a Vespa with no helmet? Like, what is the meaning of doing something like this, you dumbass? That's how you get a ticket. Oh well. But yeah, that place right there, Frankel's, is a delicious smoked salmon place that I keep meaning to go to. I'm gonna have to go to the right. You know what? I'm gonna go right. I'm not gonna go left, because to the left is fucking murder. I'm gonna go right. Back to the Berg. Could go to like Greenpoint or something. Like, this is Greenpoint. I mean, I was gonna go to the left there and do this and that, but I'm just not really exactly sure if that's the kind of banana I want to peel. Look at this caddy. YOLO swag. Trying to decide what I want to do. Might as well just take it easy. Look at all these fine people strolling about, taking a nice casual little walk. Why not? You could honk at me all you want. It will not change a goddamn thing. Now I'm stuck behind a god-darn bus. Son of a potato bread. But next week, I'm going to Mexico, which is quite a fun little thing, if I say so myself. Going to this all-inclusive resort which is nice, you know, no pressure. Just kind of like lay around and eat food and drink drinks. Nice and relaxing. Gonna get stuck in another red light over here, which is, you know, this is apparently this is what I enjoy. Ooh, look at this raptor. Dangerous, strong, hungry. Can I get ahead? It's possible. I do want to get ahead of this bussy bus. Yeah. Kinda. Oh, this used to be this place called Matchless, the place to the right, and there used to be like this motorcycle themed bar that would play MotoGP and other things. That was nice. That was nice. I'm a little bit off today. Like I said, I had a couple of beers last night, so right now, if it wasn't for my mom inviting me over for breakfast, I probably would be laying around at home. So the fact that I'm on the machine is a hot damn miracle. It's a goddamn miracle. It's a goddamn miracle. I'm gonna go to the left, I think. That's fine. I'm gonna go this way. That's a big crane there. Good golly, Miss Molly. They must be about to build a huge fucking building. Oh, that's a nice little situation there. What is that? Suzuki of some sort? Nobody knows, really. Graham Avenue. Is this a two-way street? Can one take a right? Yes. Good. Ooh. I gave it a bean by accident, but nobody knows. Everybody's like, what is this fucking guy talking about? What is he mumbling about? This, that, and the third. This, that, third, fourth, fifth. Please don't. And here we are on Graham Avenue. The most awesome of avenues ever. Can't tell you why, but this place is legit. See that place on the corner there? Anthony's panini shop, whatever. Anthony's and Son's panini shop. If you were to go on their Instagram, you would think that that's the most incredible place. You know, on Instagram there's a lot of like random weird photo pictures of food, and this place produces some amazing shots, but it's like, it's fucking fake news. You know, it's fake news because that food is not all that good. That food is not all that good. But the pictures are nice, so there's that. Anyway, boys and girls, this was a quick little, random little ride, you know? Just kind of cruising in our neighborhood. Oh, look at this street. The street was wide open. That was nice. That was so fun. Anywho, just a weird little taste of riding in the motherfucking city. Thank you for watching, as always. Really appreciate it. You guys are the best. You are the best. Talk to you later.